So here we have another chimney cap. You can see the flue pipes here have been deteriorated and cracked. Same thing with the fireplace. It's been flaking off. And as far as the cap, the cap's an old cap, but looking for a new cement cap here. And you can see the mortar here is obviously falling out. And this has all been deteriorated now, coming apart. This is what happens when water and moisture get inside the masonry and the chimney cap is cracked, and this one needs a little work. All Tech Builders and Restoration is the right company to do your tuck pointing.